St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School Laitumkhrah, Kalapanlong yaka school sports ba khandai posan, 95th school sports, haka arpu nyo tarik leber, haka ba ki khna school kila Phuh yaka madan mini stadium, daki Rong ki rop Baphyrnai, nadu ki riam ki bej, bat ki saudong saukun jong kani ka madan. Nalor ki khna jong kani ka school, ki wei pat ki khna na ki khat khandai tili ki school jong ka sor Shillong, kila wan ban shim banta ha kani ka lumpung yele kai, ha kani ka sngi. Uba Khuborjylla, Menteri Arts and Culture ka Meghalaya, ulawan ban long kong san ban pli ya kani ka school sports ha kani ka sngi. Katba u Vijay Kumar Mantri, IAS Commissioner and Secretary ka Khuborjylla, ulalong u kong san senrop. Haka jingelang penwai uba Winston Tony Lingdo CEM ulalong ukong san, but Most Reverend Archbishop Victor Lingdo ulalong riukmat balasak khot ngobha shakani ka lumpung. Haka March pas nakalyang ki shinrang lara daka Hillcrest High Secondary School, both sa ka St. Anthony's High Secondary School, katba nakalyang ki kentay ka St. Mary's High Secondary School kalayo ya ka Namla do, both sa ka Mrs. N. Hills Tiny Tots Secondary School.
It shows respect to the national flag, reflects discipline, unity and patriotism. Please welcome the judges for this year's inter-house and inter-school march past. Our judges are from the Home Guard, Shri Vipin Kalita, Inspector, and Shri Octopol Power Sub-Inspector. Leading the marching contingents are the St. Anthony Scouts, Commander Daniel Rong Darnay, Flag Bearer Dhameshwar Joel Ward, Placard Bearer Suman Hajong. Their motto, be prepared. Following them is the Ambedkar House, Commander Raphael Samla, Flag Bearer Kevin Ainley, Placard Bearer Ivan Damis Ainley. Their motto, rooted in competition, rising in victory. Approaching the saluting base is Netaji House. Commander Lalnesi Nesar, Flag Bearer Anshul Subha, Placard Bearer Johansen Kongwer. Their motto, unbowed, unbent, unbroken. A round of applause for Patel House. Commander Bishop Marlow, Flag Bearer Emmanuel Joseph Yoga, Placard Bearer Anurag Shraddha. The motto, talent wins games, teamwork wins championship. Shastri House, Commander Ashwin Manak, Flag Bearer Prastam Ranglong, Placard Bearer Kunal Gora. Their motto, Excelsior. Leading the girls' contingent is St. Anthony's High Secondary School, Commander Marilla Suking, Flag Bearer Daisy Gaziala Dangai, Placard Bearer Lasubas Group. Their motto, the 2TH Studio. St. Anthony's High Secondary School is followed by St. Anthony's High St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School Evening Section. Commander Audrey Mardo, Flag Bearer Shimtilan Maulong, Placard Bearer Tanjus and Maram. Approaching the saluting base is the contingent from St. Mary's Higher Secondary School. Commander Lanchan Chori Chakchua, Flag Bearer Alvin Harun Pre, Placard Bearer Arwa Daman Karyam. St. Margaret's High Secondary School. Commander Luti Kayakai, flag bearer Nazreen and Dakar, placard bearer Lavinia Lindo Shillong, their motto, knowledge, virtue and wisdom. Following closely behind is Loretto Convent. Commander Nandini Yadav, flag bearer Eden Rumnang, placard bearer Ransapi Valyang, their motto, in the cross we trust. Approaching the saluting base is Spinemount School. Commander Anora El Madwen, flag bearer Sambhavi Sharma, placard bearer Michaela Alexis Lingo, their motto, Heaven's Light Our Guide. Israel Conservant Set School, the commander Pibante Namadanyang, flag bearer Amisha Majong, placard bearer Chanel Khuborjylla, the motto, the fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom. Following them is Auxilium Higher Secondary School, Commander Haijo Jamjani Changle, flag bearer Hakari Lamari, placard bearer Amy Nengna Mai Mate. The motto, Virtuous Scripture. Mrs. Hill's Tiny Tots Eastville Secondary School, Commander Sadet Baphyrnai, flag bearer Amy Jordana Poshna, placard bearer Adriana Monkse, the motto, shine forth in knowledge. Following closely behind them is Little Angels Secondary School. Commander Hansika Lindo, flag bearer Sophie Mangrum, placard bearer Jasmine Lamare, their motto, let your light shine. Approaching the saluting base is St. Joseph High Secondary School, Jalal. Commander Elsa Stefania Maulot, flag bearer Risan Daka Marwar, placard bearer Wandakar Shadat, their motto, virtue and knowledge. St. Joseph's High Secondary School, Laitumkhrah, Commander Balari Janai Mangrum, flag bearer Shinki Wunpada, placard bearer Nahiba Mauyang, their motto, virtue and knowledge. Leeds High Secondary School, Commander Melbourne Shadong, flag bearer Linkoy Nambi Nyambam, placard bearer Yasan Sukhame Maganyang. Leading the boys contingent, St. Andrew's High Secondary School, Commander Rong Solomon, flag bearer Laitumkhrah and placard bearer Xavier Logan Basumatri, the motto, Bertuti Exterior. Divine Savior Higher Secondary School, Commander Mayu Besawar, flag bearer Shanskin Langlimba Maula, placard bearer Bianpura Muslim, the motto is lighted to enlighten. Following them we have East Secondary School, Commander Ruben D. Tony, Plakat Bearer Darshan S. Tarian, Plakat Bearer Danzo D. Marvinian. Their motto is "Let Your Light Shine." Following them, we have Kamala NEHU High Secondary School, Commander Mancharanam S. Kharsati, Plakat Bearer Nahim N. H. Mongraf, Flag Bearer Banyaratnam S. Kharsati. Motto: Strive for Excellence. Hillcrest Higher Secondary School, Commander Willard Gayas Zongrun, Flag Bearer Ishan Sunar, Plakat Bearer Danish Bowling. Their motto is "Wisdom with Character." Following that, we have Sacred Heart Boys Higher Secondary School. Commander Benizio Singh, Flag Bearer Walter R. Wallanpi, Plakat Bearer Frederick Karburi. Their motto is "Instructed for every good work." A big round of applause for the St. Anthony's Brass Band. Their motto is "Power, Precision and Passion." Commander Goldie Hira Longcloud. And the teacher in charge is Mr. Matthias Siamchan. Another round of applause for the Home Guard Fight Band, following the St. Anthony's Brass Band.
I am very happy today to declare the 95th annual sports meet and inter-school invitation event 2026 open today, and God bless you all.
Thank you. Trip 2026 held in Guwahati. These athletes now hand over the flame to Medan Jab Sumer. Participated in the 131st Durand Cup representing J Football Club and Meghalaya in the exhibition camp held in France in the year 2025. Passing on the flame to the athletes. Basketball players Nazreen Walang of 12A Arts D and P1 Pinkman of 12 Arts D represented the state of Meghalaya in the Sub-Junior Nationals Basketball Tournament 2024, and Dakaman Nomsek and Atya Bare of 9D represented the state of Meghalaya in the Sub-Junior Nationals Basketball Tournament held at Gujarat 2025, and Adinam Khanal, man of the match in the Meghalaya versus Assam in the Northeast Little Master Trophy 2025. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. The flame is now lit. Let the events begin. We would like to thank the teacher in charge. He is a silver medalist in the marathon under 16 category.
I, on behalf of the athletes, pledge that we will take part in our 95th annual sports in fair competition, respecting the regulations that govern them, and with the desire to participate in true spirit of sportsmanship for the honor of our country and for the glory of sports.
We thank the school choir under the direction.
Also to express my sincere thanks to Father Philip Barju, Rita Celestian Training Center, who have given their welcome address to each and every one of us. I would like also to express my sincere thanks to all the members of the managing committee of the school, all respected teachers, non-teaching staff of the school. I would like also to express my sincere thanks to the principal of Lorotio Convent, Sister Mabel, principal of Divine Savior Higher Secondary School, Father Evansius, principal of Rapsgun School of Nursing, Sister Jelly, principal of St. Anthony's LP School, Father Felix, principal of Exorium Higher Secondary School, Sister Bashisha, principal of St. Joseph Higher Secondary School, Sister Madonna, the traditional institution or the Shillong, and all the ex-rep members of the Shillong of Laitumkhrah, Phuh. I would like also to express my sincere thanks to my colleague in the government, Shri Vijay Mantriji, guest of honor, who is the Commissioner of Secretary of Education, Government of Meghalaya. Thank you, Mantriji. I also express my sincere thanks. Special thanks also goes to the parents, guardians of all our beloved students who have assembled here, surrounding the ground to witness the 95th annual sports meet organized by the St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School, and also inviting other schools also to participate in this annual sports meet. I would like also to express my sincere thanks to the leaders of various political parties who are here, leaders of various institutions, the Dorbar Shillong, Dorbar Rai, Dorbar Hima, Dorbar Sim, especially the students of various institutions who have participated in this program. A wonderful march past that we have exhibited before us. We are having a judges who will judge the best march past contingent, and wish you all the best. And for those who cannot, maybe who cannot get the distinction, but don't lose hope. When you participate, it means you are a winner. I have that spirit myself since my school time also, that once I fight, though I win or I lose, I stand that, because since I have participated, I lose, but I'm a winner, born to lead. I have that spirit. You should have also that spirit, born to lead. Respected Principal Khubor, thank you so much that you have devoted your time mentally, physically, and even financially with all your team for the last many days to organize such a wonderful sports event here in Shillong. Respected teachers, dear students, and all distinguished guests invited here. It is a great honor to join you today as a chief guest for the 95th annual Sports of St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School. This gathering is not just a celebration of athlete talent, but also of disciplined teamwork and the spirit of healthy competition. Sports have always been more than games. They teach a resilience in the defeat, humility in victory, and the importance of serving together towards a common goal. These values are vital in life as they are on the playing field. Such events foster friendship, unity, and mutual respect, qualities which brings together, like we are here today, young athletes from different institutions that strengthen our community and prepare students for the challenge of your future. To the participants, I see every race you run, every match you play, and every effort you make it a step towards building character. Winning is important, but a true victory lies in giving your best, repeating your opponents, respecting your opponents, and learning from the experience. As a minister, I always cherish a dream to see you all as future competent leaders and master in all fields within the state of Meghalaya, in India, and even in the world arena. To the teachers and organizers, I extend my heartfelt appreciation. Your dedication ensures that students not only excel academically, but also grow into well-rounded individuals who value fitness, discipline, and teamwork. As we cheer for the athlete today, let us remember that sports are the celebration of human spirit. May this annual sport meet inspire all of us to pursue excellences, embrace challenges, and carry forward the values of unity and perseverance. Congratulations on behalf of each and every one of us here assembled here today. Let us congratulate to the St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School and all the participating institutions. May this event be filled with energy, joy, and memorable achievement. Before I before I resume my seat, I have one small message to share with you, that since it is connected with the students and teachers. Students, listen carefully, students, education is not preparation for life. Education is life itself. Let me repeat. Students, this is a role of students. Students, education is not preparation for life. Education is life itself. Coming to the role of the teachers. Teachers is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others. Let me repeat. The role of the teachers. Teachers is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others. Thank you, Khubor. God bless and wish the sports a success. Thank you.
We extend our heartfelt thanks to our chief. Let's give a huge round of applause for the students of the highest secondary section and the evening section students for that synchronized and well-coordinated drill display. We thank the teachers in charge, Ms. E. Bakar, Ms. R. Karbangar, Sir David Champliang, and all the class teachers of the Ladies and gentlemen, 125 glorious years of our institution. Let's give a huge round of applause for all the students of the highest secondary and the evening section.
Good.
The donbosco group of 10D Ambedkar House with 17 points. Under 18 boys, Alberto Rinchan of 12 Commerce A, Netaji House with 20 points. Above 18 boys, Aurelian Karmi, 12 Commerce A, Patel House with 20 points. And from the girls category, we have Evangeline Dingdo of 12 Arts A, Netaji House.
The best disciplined house with a total of 1,011 points. We have the Netaji House. Yet again, goes to Netaji House with 71 points. Three cheers for Netaji House. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! Hillcrest Higher Secondary School boys. Three cheers to the winners. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! Saint Mary's Secondary School. Kindly report to the victory stand. Ladies and gentlemen, the 95th Annual School Sports Meet